In this video tutorial, we will introduce the Chart Select function that allows you to create charts and selection projects. Chart Select is one of the three main functions in CES EduPack and allows you to get results from selection projects using chart, limit, and tree stages. Let's start by opening Level 1. Let's open the Chart Select function. This opens the left toolbar. The selection project includes three stages. The first stage, Selection Data, allows you to choose the data table and subset. Here, Level 1 and MaterialUniverse All Materials are selected by default. Different material or process families can be chosen here. We can now proceed to the second stage, Selection. We have three selection stages possible here, and you can choose from Chart, Limit, or Tree stages. Chart stages allow you to visualize your selection, add further constraints using the toolbar, or optimize selection based on a property or performance index. Limit stages allow you to put in constraints, such as minimum and maximum values for properties. Tree stages allow you to narrow down your selection based on the tree structure and links organizing the database. These selection stages are introduced in more detail in the following video tutorials. The third and final stage, Results, will display our results from the previous selection stages. We can choose how to view the results. In Show, we can choose how we see the materials which have passed. The Pass-Fail table shows the original 69 materials, and with either a tick or a cross, we can see which materials have passed or failed. We can rank these materials using any of the properties used in the selection stages. By default, they are ranked alphabetically. If we want to rank them by one of the selection criteria, for example their cost, we select Price on this drop-down menu. In the following video tutorials, we can see how to use Chart, Limit, and Tree selection stages, as well as other functions in CES EduPack.